So the way I've set up my Padlets is really depending of sort of like what I need the students to do. If it's just a basic, I need you to turn it in, and then students will interact, like read and examine the creations of other people. I've done things like the map, where kids can drop in a pin on the map that leads to their particular genocide event in this case, so that students can go see a geolocation, and then sort of dive in and learn something. It also allows them to respond to each other, so it does work for some interaction, but it's primarily like a post your assignment here so I can grade it, and so other students can use it. But if you look at like other ones, like the timeline setup, or like my kids will be doing kind of a threaded discussion next week, where they, for extra credit, if they want to dive deeper into the Tulsa race riots or race massacre, they can watch one of these things, read one of these things, and then show learning. And this would allow them to like connect to multiple ideas. Other students could then connect here and expand or challenge or add to the ideas of other students. So that's, it's really choosing the right format that works for you. In terms of sharing and making sure students can't like edit each other's and change, that's simply, go to the share setting, change privacy. I tend to use it, organization wide, so any student at the school can see it. And then I allow them to write, but I don't allow them to edit or administer, so they can't change anybody else's. Okay. I also tend to set mine up so that that it automatically attributes whoever posts. So if somebody posts something, it automatically puts their name in there, so that there's no questions about copying or people slandering or saying something dumb. It's going to be attached to their name, and then I allow people to either comment or rate, depending on what I'm looking for. I usually just sort of dabble in different ones of these, which is how I use Padlet, and it's worked really well for me this year. So hopefully that helps, Danetta. Give you some ways to sort of protect the Padlet and use it, because I've really found some success. Later.